Looking for the ultimate working dog? Meet the German Shepherd, a true powerhouse. German Shepherds are more than just pretty faces, they're brainiacs. Ranked among the top 3 smartest breeds, they learn commands fast and can handle complex tasks with ease. And let's talk strength. These dogs are built for action, fast, agile, and powerful. They can handle tough terrain, long hours, and high stress like pros. When it comes to alertness, German Shepherds are hyper-focused and naturally watchful, perfect for guarding, searching, and tracking. But their loyalty? Next level. They form deep bonds with their handlers and will protect, serve, and stay by your side no matter what. And versatility? Off the charts. Police, military, service, search and rescue, you name it, they can do it. German Shepherds, brains, brawn, and heart all in one incredible package. Is there anything they can't do?